far as I know, this was originally going to be an hotel for the golf course. The Peel Golf Course was founded by the Manchester businessmen that used to come over here on holidays in the summer months, and because they wanted somewhere to stay. And what I've always heard, that this was going to be an hotel for these Manchester businessmen coming over here in the summer. And whatever happened to it all, I couldn't say, but that's what I've been informed. And then Dr Poyser went in here in the late 1930s. He was an icon in Peel, Dr Poyser, because at that time you had to pay 5 shillings for the visit. In the latter part before the NHS come in, so how much it was pre-war, I wouldn't know. But he had a son, same age as me, and he was crossing the field there playing, and he come through the gap in the hedge. Of course, in that time, in the war years, there was hardly any vehicles about. It just happened that this lone lorry was coming through, and he run over him. And the lorry driver stopped, come out. It wasn't the driver's fault. And he seen there was a doctor in here, and he picked Ian up, brought him over, rung the bell, and here's Dr Poyser came out, and he had a son in his arms, dead. And obviously he never ever got over that. Never, no. It was the talk of the town for a long, long time, as you can imagine. Dr Poyser. He used to visit all the houses around the town at that time, and lots of them, he never took the money off them. He used to do it. There's lots of poverty around then. People living on spuds and herring, you know. There's lots of tuberculosis, TB. It's a different place now than what it was then, definitely. And that over there, that was the old school. And the late Fred Palmer, he was adamant that them slates on there, they came from Country Head. But I have my doubts, but he was adamant that's where they came from.